Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can make a task, a subtask on Todoist. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Todoist.com and log in to your Todoist account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, simply go to the left panel and click on Inbox. From here, you can see all the tasks that you have prepared or that you have to do for the day or for the whole week. Now, let's say I want to make this task right here that says plot chords a subtask for practice for church, which is the task right here. So how should I do it? First, click on plot chords, and then we're gonna click here on the more actions on the top right, and we're gonna copy link to task. After that, close this, and then we're gonna go to practice for church, and we're gonna add a subtask. And in here, we're gonna paste the link that we copied earlier. After that, click on add task, and as simple as that, the task plot chords is now a subtask for practice for church. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!